get better.
It won't get better ke?
Kita just make sure dia live a bit longer je. But
dia just to prolong. Dia tak turun.
Dia tak turun.
Maksudnya heart, dia punya heart is
Kan Dr. Kok kata kena check sebab ada organ dia yang ada lemak sikit, ada apa. So kita heart lah.
Tapi tak apalah, kita switch to supplement for heart lah, kita tambah.
But I do prefer check juga, bagi juga supplement buat ginjal.
Yeah, because she continue, but with heart.
Supplement memang selang sehari saya bagi.
But she needs to be careful lah with her water intake now. Takut dia lebih pula, dia melarat kan.
Okay.
Balance to get that.
Bila kita owner pernah buat test tu, kita cuba nak find out the source. So a discussion is needed lah. Sometimes I am not right, maybe ada something yang dia orang input juga. So kita cuba push everything.
Yeah.
Okay, jangan lambat sangat dah.
I move first.
So it's still on a going discussion lagi, tapi at least we know maybe heart dia macam ada something. And then kidney dia pun kita tahu kena be very careful juga.
Okay, alright. Okay, doktor. Nanti. Okay, doktor. Thank you. Sayang. Doktor Aisyah tak ada. Tak sabar. Sekejap nak ambil ubat ya. Kita tengah tunggu atuk parking. Jai sayang haus